by the Honorable Chief Guest, followed by the National Anthem.
के बहल दुनिया के साथ
This next tableau
livestock healthcare services at a farmer's doorstep.
practices by integrating solar energy, rainwater,
This also refers to the adoption of sustainable, eco-friendly
Beti Bachao, Beti Bharao, UDID, and to the district prison and pass competition goes to
following closely behind. Coming behind Rambai Government Secondary School, flag bearer Kebiakni Deju Lungdo and flag holder Sujoy Sukla Baidia, the JNV boys Rambai, with a pass ceremony is completed. By adopting winter cropping, farmers can take up across the rivers. Thirdly, huge round of applause to the office of the District Agriculture Officer of June Cultivation, and it will surely help.
Hey,